Good morning, students. This is your GK book, chapter number 11. Okay, today's topic is India, our motherland. Okay, today we are going to talk about our motherland, that is India. Okay, now let's start. India is a motherland, is also called as Bharat and Hindustan. Okay, another name of India is Bharat and Hindustan. It is the 7th largest country in the world. It is also called the most populated country in the world. Second most populated. Okay, it is also called the second most populated country in the world. India has 29 states. 28 not बच्चे 29. Okay, now India has 29 states and 9 union territories. Okay, so now in this para we talk about that India is also known as Bharat and Hindustan. Okay, and it is the 7th largest country in the world and second most populated country in the world. Okay, now how many states India has? India has 29 states and 9 union territories. Okay, now let's start next one. In which state or union territory of India do you live? Write its name and its capital. Okay, so in which state we are living? We are living in Punjab. So in this blank you will write down Punjab, and the capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Okay, capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Now let's move on. New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, what is the capital of India? New Delhi. Okay, next, in the north of India there are high mountains called the Himalayas. Okay, over here this is north, south, east and west. Okay, again I'll tell you bache, this is north, this is south, this is east and this one is west. Okay, so north of India there are high mountains, these are called Himalayas. Okay, in the west, west means this side. Okay, in the west there is the Thar desert. It is the largest desert in India. Okay, so what is the largest desert in India? Name the largest desert in India. That is Thar desert. Okay, in the east, the west and the south, India is surrounded by sea. Okay, which one is the east? This one is the east, west and south. That is east, west and south. Okay, it is surrounded by sea. Okay bache, Ganga is the holy river of India as well as national river of India. Okay, name the national river of India. That is Ganga. Okay, it is also known as holy river of India. Next, people of different religions live here together. Okay, they wear different dresses and also speak different languages. Okay bache, so in this chapter we have talked about that India is also known as Bharat and Hindustan. Okay, and it is the 7th largest country in the world and second most populated country in the world. India has how many states? 29 states and 9 union territories. Okay, and capital of India is New Delhi. Okay, and north of India there are high mountains is called Himalayas. Okay, and the largest desert in India is Thar desert. East, west and south is surrounded by sea. Okay, and national river of India, or you can say holy river of India, is Ganga. Okay, and people of different religions here live together. They wear different dresses. Okay, and also speak different languages. For example, you can say in Punjab we wear salwar suit. Okay, salwar kameez we wear. Okay, and we speak in Punjabi. In Rajasthan they wear ghagra choli. Okay, and they speak in Rajasthani language. Okay, different states wear different dresses and their language is also different. Okay, thank you bache.